Welcome guys, this is Data/Fun YouTube channel. Today we will see how to read text file, CSV file and Excel file in Python as well R. For that, please guys subscribe this YouTube channel for getting latest update in data science and press bell icon for getting latest video notification. So let's see how to read this CSV file, text file and Excel file in Python as well R. First, just see here there are three files in different format. First file is a sample CSV file, second is a sample Excel file, and last one is a sample text file. And this all three files are saved in this address E drive dataset2 folder data sample. So this is my working directory address. So we will see how to read this type of file in Python as well R. I am just opening my R Studio for R programming and Spider window for Python programming. So this is my R Studio and this is Spider window. First in R I am setting working directory for reading the files. So this is my working directory E drive dataset2 data samples, and in this working directory all three files are saved. By this command you can set a working directory. Set wd in double quote, this is address. Similarly, we can see here in Python, in Spider, I am import one package panda library as a PD and import OS for the setting working directory. I am already installed this panda package in my Spider, that's why I'm just recall this package by import command, import panda SPD, import OS, and I'm setting working directory by this command os.chdr and working directory address E drive dataset2 data samples, and there is backward double slash. So now we are setting working directory in R and Python as well. First we will see how to input text file in R. Very simple. I am giving one object name my underscore text is equal to read.table and give the text file name sample text.txt extension. Let's run it, see it. So this text file is running in my R Studio. Similarly, we will see how to read text file in Python. Import text file in Python. I am giving one object name my underscore text, open, give the text file name sample text dot extension txt. Just run it, and here is a command for reading the text file. Give the object name of text my underscore text dot read lines empty bracket. By this command the text file is running in your Spider window. You can see here text file is running in our Spider window, same files. Second, we will see how to read CSV file in our R Studio. First R Studio, very simple. I am giving one object name my underscore CSV. Read.csv is a command for reading the CSV file, and give the file name which you want to read and give this extension CSV in double quote. So you can see here this CSV file is running in R Studio. Read.csv is command for reading the CSV file. Similarly, we will see how to read CSV file in Python. Here is a command by PD panda library. We can read the CSV file. I am giving one object name my underscore CSV PD dot read underscore CSV and give this CSV file name dot extension CSV. So this file also running in our spider window. Then next we will see how to read Excel file in R. For that I am importing one library, read.x. I am importing this library read Excel. First you need to install this library. If you not install already, install this library by this command, install.packages, and give the package name read Excel. I am already installed this package in my R Studio, that's why I am just recalling by library function library read Excel. And the command for reading Excel file here, read_Excel, and give the file name a sample excel dot extension xlsx. And if you want to read sheet 2 on this Excel, give the specific sheet number here. I want to read the sheet 1 here, so I am replacing 2 by 1, and this all data will be stored in this object my_Excel. Just run it and check it. So this Excel file also running in my R Studio. Similarly, we will see how to read Excel file in Python as well. Very simple. By Panda library here you can read the Excel file. I'm giving one object name my_Excel is equal to pd.read_Excel, and give the file name sample excel.xlx. This is the extension of Excel. Just run it, check it. This Excel file is running in my Python as well, my Excel file. So very simple, you can read text file, CSV file, and Excel file in your R Studio, and as well your Panda, as well in your Python by Panda library. Hope you guys understand how to read these files in your Python as well R. And if you have any challenges with coding and anything else, then please write on this video. And thank you so much for watching.